it. Alright. Well done, buddy.
That was for you, Mom.
Foul hook too. Oh, that was a big ass Tailor. That's massive.
Look at
Big Tailor ate the smaller Tailor. Oh, big chick. There it is. Yep. Yeah, no, you're alright. Go on. Go on. He foul hooked him, that's why it was heavy. Yeah, they're usually heavy when you foul hook them like this. So it feels like it's a bigger fish than what it is. It should be good. That's the tarwin, see? It's got kind of like an oval shape mouth or head. Different from the Bream, it's like a bit sharper here.
Oh yeah. Oh man, I'll show up to that in a moment.
Alright. Well, I think we got plenty in the backyard already.
Oh yeah.
So let's go. Oh, they're dying. Yeah. Look at that one. Some of that there. Let's check Uncle Hamza's book. Make sure we're getting the right one.
Okay.
Right. So grab that. And here we have some. We go to the sea. This is the pig's ears, pig face.
I didn't know we had those.
Yeah. Let's grab some of this.
Okay.
Some of that dandelion. Beauty. Right, yeah. So that was the sow thistle. But what we want is some of that dandelion, which is this one here. Let's get some more dandelion. This one here. Flat leader. Hey. Okay. Got a good bunch.
Yeah.
Tastes nice. We'll take that. Get that here. We'll also fry these too.
And double.
Yep. So what we'll need is some oil.
Okay.
And just hold that. Yep. Pour some more here. Now begin to put some good stuff inside. Let's chuck some rice in here. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. Alright, let's. You want to do one more? Sure. Good stuff. Alright. Okay. I see a good sprinkle on the outside as well.
This is clean.
Yeah. Why you do that? And the one without chili for now. Thank you.
Which is this one,
Yeah.
the long one. Flour,
Flowers.
this one, this two,
So what did it say to
and the
eat?
root.
What will you eat?
So we eat the leaf.
Yes, the leaf.
Yeah.
The leaves.
So this one.
Yes.
It's good, huh?
Yeah. So
It's so good.
Yeah, so
This is why I want to
all thanks for the food, boys.
Yeah. And thanks for catching the yellowtail. Even though we catch them.
My job is to catch the yellowtails.
So good. Thanks, man.
Okay.
Come on, Mona. That's eggs. What's eggs?
Yeah, more better than coffee.
You cook it so nice.
Which?
I'll show it to them. It's to the house to do it.
Yeah.
You always say when in the backyard, oh, what's wrong? What's that?
There's no monster there.
A monster? There's no monster. No monster.
Fish in their culture?
I don't know. Maybe because they live in a place where it's far from the water.
Yeah, 4,000 euro, yeah.
For this?
Oh,
No,
no.
no, no. I used like a 5,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, for this.
Yeah.
No, no, no.
Bigger.
Wasn't it 7,500?
6.
Oh,
6,000.
Does it has to be that 6?
It makes it easier to catch it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, so it depends on the reel.
yeah, it
Yeah.
depends on.
So, but with the high
Yeah, we just
high
really,
reel.
yeah,
It's
just
easy.
yeah, you just pull it. It's
Oh, no,
powerful.
you're learning a lot. Huh?
Oh, he's learning a lot.
He
He's
makes
the
his own.
yeah, he's the same. Just exactly how you said about my cooking and how I learned myself, and then just yeah, he's had so many errors already, but it's part of the learning process.
Without fresh air. Just for 30 minutes and then you're but you know my fingers are
What is that thing?
especially when I saw the man, you know, with the thing. I was like going, can I borrow you? Can I just hold it?
With Liam now, we woke up at 1:30, but this guy sleeps late, super late. So 1 hour and a half
he still
sleep,
comes
but he'll still
Still come.
go.
As I said, ma,
Try to sleep early.
I know.
You can have enough sleep.
if it's fishing, ma, just one click, they will stand up and change straight out. If it's school, oh my gosh, I have to battle with them every day.